Federal regulations require airport operators to limit access to the airfield to only those persons and vehicles with a job-related necessity to be there. This access carries with it a huge responsibility to always operate in a safe, efficient manner. Before you may be granted this access authority, you must be thoroughly trained in the procedures for operating a vehicle on the movement area. This training includes familiarization with the airfield environment, knowledge of the rules of your airport, and an understanding of the consequences of failure to abide by those rules. Airports present unique driving situations which include non-standard traffic patterns, pavement markings not found on roadways, and the hazards involved in mixing traffic of aircraft and ground vehicles in close proximity. This training is designed to cover the basics of airfield driving safety and incursion prevention. The most important rule to remember about operating a vehicle or even walking on the airfield is that all aircraft have the right of way over any vehicle on the airfield. Never assume that the pilot of an aircraft taxiing nearby can see you or will stop. Pilots sit high above the ground and have a limited field of ground visibility from the cockpit. Not only is it difficult for pilots to see ground vehicles, but aircraft do not stop quickly or easily because of their weight. Even if you are operating in the designated vehicle lane, you must still keep a safe distance from all aircraft. This rule applies to emergency vehicles as well. Responding to an emergency situation does not give an emergency vehicle the right to cut off an aircraft or cross an active runway or taxiway without clearance from air traffic control. The FAA defines a runway incursion as any occurrence at an airport involving an aircraft, vehicle, person, or object on the ground that creates a collision hazard or results in loss of separation with an aircraft taking off or intending to take off, landing, or intending to land.
Southwest 440, cancel takeoff clearance, hold in position.
A surface incident is defined as any event where unauthorized or unapproved movement occurs within the movement area or an occurrence in the movement area associated with the operation of an aircraft that affects or could affect the safety of flight. Runway incursions and surface incidents are both serious safety violations that could cost you your airport driving privileges, your job, or even your life or the lives of others. The airfield is divided into two major areas, the movement area and the non-movement area. The movement area includes those areas of the airport under the control of the Air Traffic Control Tower, such as the runways and taxiways. The movement area includes the Air Operations Area, or AOA, which is that part of the airfield designed for the landing, taking off, or surface maneuvering of aircraft. The non-movement area includes those areas where clearance from air traffic control is not required, such as ramp areas and vehicle service roads.